Hello. This is an unboxing video of a Midland WR-400. And I'd like to apologize for my voice being like this right now. Is because I'm recovering from being sick from a cold. So it's pretty deep than normal and I might not talk very clear. So I apologize. So anyways, moving to the unboxing video. This Midland WR-400 came from eBay for $69 plus free shipping. So it's guaranteed to show up yesterday, but showed up a day late. So, well, it's fine. Just had, I bought it last Saturday, not today, but last week on Saturday. So it finally came in the mail today. So how it's been packaged up, I know this is a little rip, right here, exposing the part in the box. But it's okay. It makes it really easy for me to open the box. It's probably the easiest unboxing video I've ever done. So, okay. I'm gonna move on and just go ahead and just open the box, just to review the radio. It's sealed twice. I mean, it's been packaged twice. So, okay, here it is. Here's the back. Alright. Oh my. It's this tape. I don't know what it is. Come on, I want this off the box. This might take a few moments. That's not very important. Alright, here's the radio. Very nice packaging. And here's the futures, here's the side. Here's the red, so in top and bottom. Okay, let's get the opening. I'm so excited to get this radio, so let's see what this says. I'll read it later, but let's get this video out first, see if I can reach it. No, let's take the radio out. What is this rip? Oh, it's taped to the manual. So rip that, it's very important to not rip. I don't know why it's taped to the manual. That's why I don't know why, but it's not a good idea. I'm going to be really careful not to do not rip it. Good, looks good. Okay, more tape on the manual, so there came right out. See more tape. Nope. Here's, I think this is the user guide. Yeah, it's the manual. It's small, but here's I forgot what it's called, but you would know. A product guide. I apologize, product guide. So, oh yeah, so I don't know why I'm showing this the manuals, but here is the radio. Which I'm about to open that in just a bit. Just want to look what else is in the package. And the AC adapter. Which I'm just going to focus on opening the radio. Just going to read this, what it wants me to do. Yep, taking it out. It's taped. Did not see that. Shouldn't hurt it. Here's the radio itself. It's now out. Wow, it's very shiny. Program requirements, alarm, volume, and we can plug the USB port where you can plug your smartphone or iPod, tablet, or any other devices into it that will charge from the radio to your cell phone or whatever. So, alright, I'm just gonna. Before I'm gonna set it up, I'm just gonna read how to actually plug it in. I'm just a little worried if I mess it up, so for safety reasons, I'm just gonna delay that. Okay, I'm just gonna start opening the package. I read the owner's manual. Just make a quick glance of it, trying to confirm what I was really confused at first. What it was meaning it was actually mean like you have to have the the micro USB to be not upside down. It has to be faced up for it to be plugged in right. If you plug it upside down, it's not going to work. It just won't fit in. So now I'm going to open the AC adapter. Please note this is not a normal AC adapter on this. This is the first weather radio to have a micro USB port. So let's just open it up. Here's the AC adapter. This looks nice now. That would be very clean, very shiny. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in just a bit once I get ready to use it. So it plugs it. Yeah, it's upside down. No, don't worry, I would never plug this thing upside down. So this is what it looks like when it's maced up. If you can see it. If you can't see, I apologize. It plugs right in here. So, yeah, I'm gonna start placing. I have place for it, so I'm gonna stop the camera for a bit. So, here's the radio. I'm gonna plug it in. This is where it will be placed, which is normally this one, which is the Midland WR-400 So, if I got them all right. Okay, let's just go ahead and plug this thing in. I'm just gonna watch you all just do it in and watch it power up. Why didn't it power on? So switch. There it goes. I'll put batteries in it later. Set signal for now. So I live in South Carolina, so I'm just gonna find my state. Here it is. This is a little different keyboard than I'm using my WR-120, but it's fine. Set time. So it is 6. Where is right here? 15. Well, it's 6:16, so set. Looks like it's all set up. Oh, how do you turn it up? A little different. Really use. Oh, there's the volume.
November 24th, 2018. Today's high temperature of 49 degrees occurred at 2:43 p.m. The record high is 78 degrees, which was set in 1913. Today's low temperature of 32 occurred at 1:23 a.m. The record low is 14 degrees, which was set in 1970. 0.54 inches of precipitation fell today, which brings the monthly total to 8.14 inches. The total precipitation for the year.
I apologize for the quality not looking very good. I'm going to fix the camera.
Sunset tonight is at 5:19 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:13 a.m. These are the 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the upstate on Saturday, November 24th. At Greenville.
Alright, let's see what that video looks like. Alright, I just had to stop the clip because I didn't want to make a copyright issue on it, so... Alright, I think this is done. Well, I'll just hit a siren test. No, I apologize, I am not done. So, I have an extra strobe light that I just took up my WR-100, and now I'm just going to hook it up. It's not from the WR-120, this is the second one I have. So, I'm just going to hook it up. It doesn't have a strobe light option. It's gotta have one. It does. So, yeah, I put a fingerprint off, clean it later. Right. I just like strobe lights and make it really cool and get my attention, so for alerts. So just like to understand that since I'm into the emergency alert system and weather radios and tornado sirens, I have a tornado siren that is now part of Spartanburg County siren system, which means I'm following the county, and the county knows I have a siren that's following their system, so they know it would go off for emergencies. So they say it's okay, so to use the siren for emergencies. So that's what I'm trying to hopefully this explains it. So alright, here's the strobe light where it's at right now. Hooked up directly into the Midland WR-400, so now as I said, you probably want me to test the siren, so I'm just gonna do it. Let's see what it does. Dang, that is a loud siren. So, I know a lot of reviews said, like, you can't turn down the siren like you would do on the Midland WR-400. But I don't care. I don't mind it, because if it's a real alert from my area, like a flash flood warning, then that's okay. Or a severe thunderstorm warning, that's fine. Or a tornado warning, yes, I would let it go off. So it is a really loud siren. I think it's louder than the WR-400. So, alright, this concludes this out. More videos to come from my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your day.